All right, now we're going to do LIFO. Let me kind of erase some of this. You might want to print out just a new copy to prepare yourselves for this. All right. So my setup is the same, right? And hopefully you've had a chance to check out the book's setup, how they organize it. It's a lot more involved, and for me, it's just too much. But for some students, it really helps them organize all the costs. So totally your call. We should get the same figures. We're just, our format might be a little different. That's fine. These aren't financial statements, right? This is just internal working papers. And your company that you worked with, they would probably have their own format, right? All right, so same setup, separate it into my cost of goods sold and ending inventory. You still have the two same sales days, August 14th and August 31st. Okay. August 14th and August 31st. Now I remember the sale for August 14th was 20 units, and for August 31st, it was 23. So now we're going to find the cost of the 20 units sold on August 14th using the last in, first out method, which instead of going in chronological order, starting with your earliest purchase and working down, right? It starts with your last purchase and works up. All right, so let's go up to our data. All right, so what's our last purchase for the August 14th sale? Okay, and I'm pausing here because I want you to think about it. So for that August 14th sale, under LIFO, what was your last purchase? And the reason I want you to think about it is here's what students always do. They say, oh, last purchase. Here it is, last purchase, right? It's literally the last purchase that we have in the month of August. Totally get it. But on August 14th, right? August 14th is here. So it's the last purchase as of the sale date. So your last purchase before the sale was August 3rd's purchase. Okay. I tell my students, don't go time traveling, right? You're on August 14th. You can't time travel to the end of the month. So take the last purchase date from this date of sale, August 14th. Your last purchase date was August 3rd. Okay, so we need 20 units. So you're going to take 15 at 106. Happens all the time though. It's in the name, right? Last in, so you guys always look at the last number, but last at the date of sale. So 15 at 106. We obviously need to get to 20 units sold. We need 5 more units. And I think those will come from our beginning inventory since these are all gone. So you're going to take 5 units at 91. 5 at 91. Well, let's do that math. All right. On to August 31st. Feel free to pause and try it on your own. August 31st sale. So that happens here. So here our last purchase from August 31st is the 28th. 10 units at 119. 10 units at 119. That gives us 1,090. We still need 13 more units. Let's see where those are going to come from. Okay, so this is now gone. That's where they're going to come from. The August 17th purchase. Okay, so 13 units at 115. And again, the ordering doesn't, matter here. This is your space to solve the figures. All right, add it all up. And sometimes I just have to do a reality check. Remember in one of our lecture videos that we started with, we said that one of the attributes of LIFO is that it should have a higher cost of goods sold than FIFO. So I'm just going to go back to our FIFO figure and make sure what I calculated for LIFO is greater. Okay, so FIFO was 45.70, LIFO is 47.30. So it is higher by about $200. Woohoo! Just a little reality check. All right, now we got to figure out what's left at the end of the month. August 31st, we know we have 12 units left. Let's figure out the cost of those 12 units. All right, all these were gone. Looks like we have 7 units left at 115. And then remember, we only took 5 units, so we still have 5 left at 91. And the 5 and the 7, that gets us our 12. Okay, and then we'll do our check as well, just to make sure. Remember, if we add these two figures up, it should equal our cost of goods available. So add up your 47.30 and your 12.60. You should get 5,990, and then just make sure that's the same as your cost of goods available. Okay. So that was last in, first out. Again, the biggest complication I've seen with last in, first out is students wanting to take their units from the very last purchase because the name suggests it, right? But make sure it's the last purchase based on the sale date. Okay, so for August 14th, your last purchase was August 3rd. All right, in the next video, we will tackle weighted average. You'll want a calculator for that one.